Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with HostGator affiliate program step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the HostGator affiliate program website. Locate and click on the Join Now button at the top of the page. Fill in the required information in the application form. Provide your full name and email address. Create a secure password for your affiliate account. Enter your mailing address, including city, state, and zip code. Choose your preferred payout method from the available options. Read and accept the terms and conditions of the program. Click on the Submit button to send your application. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open the email and click the verification link provided. Once verified, log in to your new affiliate account. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools. Explore the marketing materials and banners offered by HostGator. Use these resources to promote HostGator services effectively. Generate your unique affiliate links for tracking. Share your affiliate links on your website or social media platforms. Monitor your performance through the dashboard's analytics. Continue to create quality content to attract potential customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.